this is a quick video on the shortgun, just how it works, all the adapters and stuff. So that nozzle, you can take them out, swap it to a wider or a thinner one. Got the 3/8 quick connect at the bottom. So then I grab my Ryobi connection and put that in. If you had a gurney connection, that would go in between here. Otherwise you could just go straight from the gurney connection straight into this screw. So that screw on is M22. So then you have your quick connect snow foam cannon. When you want to connect that, you just take off the nozzle and put that on instead. Or if you want an extension arm, you just put that on, and there you go. So my setup is on the Ryobi. I also run it on my Kasha and my Krenzel. This bad boy has a fair bit of power, just as much as my Krenzel does, and for a quarter of the price. So now this is with the snow foam fitting. Snows up just as good as my Krenzel does. And this is with the extension arm on. And then without the extension arm on, you can get under wheel wells and a lot closer to the car in like car park situations. These guns have all metal internals, so the only thing that can really go wrong is from taking the nozzle in and out, in and out, in and out every day, like I do. There's a tiny little washer in there that can wear out, and then that just needs replacing. That's a few cents from Bunnings. For this gun we stock Kasha and gurney adapters, and most Ryobis and universal pressure washers come with the standard M22, which is the screw-on connection. As standard, the gun comes with 5 nozzles. It comes with a 14mm M22 and a 15mm M22, as well as the 3x8 quick connect. You can also change this to a 1/4 inch if you would like to do that. I have the 1/4 inch set up on my Krenzel because I don't have a 15mm to suit the hose.